For the boiling point lab, you were supposed to make a graph of your data again. So let me sketch what this graph should look like. We should have time across the bottom. Make sure you put whatever units you used. Temp along the Y. Again, our units for temp are going to be degrees Celsius, and give it a title. So I'm going to say boiling point graph. And what this is going to look like, it's going to look a little bit different than the melting point graph, because we're going to start down here at a low temperature and we're going to go up, and then we're going to level off, and probably not going to go up any higher than that because we're not going to boil away our entire liquid. So your boiling point is this point right here. And there were two possible boiling points that you could have. If you had rubbing alcohol, it boils at about 82. If you had water, it boils at about 100. It's probably going to be a little bit less than 100 at this elevation. So the first blue question says, do all the graphs look alike at the beginning? That should be yes. They should all be increasing in temperature at the beginning. Do all graphs have a flat section? Yes. Was the temperature the same in all test tubes once the liquid began boiling? No, we had two different liquids, rubbing alcohol and water. What is the difference in boiling point reveal? It reveals we've got different liquids. And then the last one, does the boiling point of a liquid depend on the amount of liquid? That first answer is no. Then is the boiling point a characteristic property? Yes. So let me go back to the first part of this. Does the boiling point of a liquid depend on the amount of liquid? That's no, because water boils at 100 degrees Celsius no matter how much liquid you have. Now it's going to take longer for a lot of liquid to boil, where if you have just a little bit, it's going to boil pretty quickly. So the amount does not affect the boiling point, it just affects the time to get it boiling. So you may have a steeper line in here if you have more liquid.